Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner. So you don't need any fancy skills or anything like that, and you'll be able to do this from the comfort of your home and also on your mobile device. In case you're wondering what CPA marketing is, CPA stands for cost per acquisition or action and is a type of conversion rate marketing. And for example, have you ever seen something pop up while browsing on the internet that is asking you to enter your email address or to simply tap on a catchy to prove that you're a human being? A lot of the time, these are CPA offers, and by simply filling in your email or filling in your name or by simply filling in a catchy, the person that created or placed that CPA offer on that particular website gets paid. And you'll be surprised the amount of money that persons are making daily to do this. But instead of being a spammy marketer, I'll be showing you how you can have fun while creating this and how you can also provide value to your viewers while doing this. The platform that we'll be using to find our CPA offers and also to pay us will be none other than CPA Grip. CPA Grip is completely free to sign up and it's easy to do also. And the beauty about CPA Grip is that it is available practically worldwide. So all you need to do is go onto CPA Grip in the top right hand corner, right where you see my name right here. And by the way, my name is Jason. Nice to meet you. All you'll have to do is simply tap on registration and you can start filling in your information. And again, it's completely free. All you'll have to do, put in your name, your PayPal, which you'll be getting paid through, and you'll also put in your email address and all of those stuff. It's quite straightforward and easy to do. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And before we go any further, just look at this. This person thus far has made $7,341 using CPA Grip. And you can see that this person has made over $180,000 thus far. That is a whole lot of money. And I'll be showing you how you can potentially start making money using CPA Grip. The first thing you need to do once on your affiliate dashboard right here, you are going to simply tap on monetization tools, and I want you to select URL/file lockers. After selecting this, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and I want you to tap on create new URL locker. Then you are going to scroll down a bit and you are going to tap on I agree to the terms of service. Then you are going to tap on continue. After you have done that, you are going to select templates. And the template that I would like you to use is this particular one. So all the person will need to do is simply tap on this section to prove that they are not a robot, and you will be able to get paid. After you have selected the template, you are going to tap on general. Now we get to the good part. The thing that I want you to promote is movies, and the platform that we'll be using is TikTok. Have you ever been onto TikTok and typed in, for example, this one right here, Power Book 2? As you can see right here, this is a popular series, and you can see the amount of views that they are getting by simply posting clippings. 9.1 million, 4 million, and it goes on and on. And I'm almost certain that there is over 100, if not 1,000 persons in the comment section that is asking, where can they watch this series, what is the name of the series, and all of that. You will be able to provide that information, and you can also post clippings like this as they are quite easy to find. All you'll have to do is go onto this website by the name of fmovies.co, which is a website that allows persons to watch high quality movies and series on the internet. By the way, it has a lot of ads, so just don't click on anything unless you're clicking on the particular movie that you want to watch. You'll find new movies, you'll find the latest series and all of that. So you'll be redirecting your TikTok viewers to this link. So all you'll need to do is simply go onto TikTok and you're going to create an account, just like this account right here, and you're going to start posting clippings. And again, you can find the clippings on that website, or you can find them on YouTube or so on. And the platform that you can use to edit your TikTok video or to start creating your TikTok video is canva.com. Canva.com is completely free and easy to sign up. All you'll need is your email address and you can start creating TikTok videos. Once on Canva, you are going to simply select social media. After selecting social media, what I want you to do next is simply tab across until you see TikTok video, which you can see right here, and you'll tap on create blank. After you have selected create blank, you will simply upload the clippings of the series or the movie that you want to promote, and you'll simply continue posting those. And a formula that I realized that works when it comes to TikTok on how to gather 1,000 viewers, better yet 1,000 followers quickly, is by simply posting clips that are popular. So let's say, for example, this one right here, you can see that it has gone viral. All you'll have to do is post a similar clip to this or even this exact clip, and you'll be surprised the amount of views you get and how quickly you're able to gather 1,000 followers. After you have gotten 1,000 followers, you are going to go back onto CPA Grip. And right here where you see locked URL, you are going to go onto the movie website and you will simply copy the series or the movie URL, for example right here, and then you will simply paste the link in locked URL. After you have pasted the link, you are going to scroll down and you are going to tap on save. Once you have saved it, you are now going to go onto Linktree, as you are going to be using Linktree to create your you are going to be using Linktree to create your landing page. So the Linktree link is the link that you are going to be placing in your TikTok bio. And Linktree again is available worldwide and it's completely free. Once on Linktree, you'll simply tap on login right here and you'll enter your login information and create a Linktree link. Then you are going to be redirected to the Linktree admin page. Once on the Linktree admin page, as you can see right here, just give it a few seconds to load up. All you'll have to do, right where you see add link, you are going to tap on add link and you are going to add your CPA link, and you'll simply toggle it on. As you can see right here, it's green. Then you are going to tap on share in the top right hand corner and you are going to copy your Linktree link. After copying your Linktree link, you are going to place it in your TikTok bio, and that's it. After you have started getting a lot of views, which you will by the time you reach 1,000 followers, person will be tapping on your Linktree link, then they'll be clicking on the CPA offer and you'll be able to get paid. And that's how to make money with CPA marketing as a beginner, and also how to make money with CPA Grip. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. And by the way, if you don't have any idea how to find the latest movies or so on, you can go onto Google and do that. It's completely free and easy to do. As you can see right here, earlier I had typed in movies April 2023 newest, and you can see John Wick 4 is soon coming out, and you can also see that the Equalizer 3 is coming out soon. So you could select any one of these and you could simply post the trailers and you will have the link right there, and you're not leading your viewers astray or to some bogus link, as you'll be redirecting them to a website that they can actually watch the movie on or watch the series on. Thanks for watching.